My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Dogecoin. What's the current price of the Dogecoin? What's the price since Dogecoin? What's the name of Dogecoin? And a lot of holders of Dogecoin as doing a very big mistake. Please, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. For more details, keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new in my channel, please like this video, subscribe baby stake channel for more this kind of news and updates. Anyways, friends, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on, friends. First of all, we talk about the current day. As you can see here, 0.527381 USD dollar is the currently price of the Dogecoin, friends. And friends, on the other hand, on the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the Dogecoin. So the last 1 hour price change as negative, last 1 day price change as negative, last 1 week price change is also negative, friends. What's the reason behind that? Why the price is going fast down? What's the reason behind it? And this video I will show you, friends. Keep watch this video till the end, friends. Let's check it out the price chart for a better understanding. As you can see here, as I told you from the previous last 1 day, the price change, as you can see here, that is the last 1 week price chart, as you can see here, and that is the last 1 day price change. As you can see here, if you look the last 1 day price chart, as you can see, they are in the fast mode. The price is going down, friends. That is why a lot of holders doing a big mistake. They are afraid by this fast, they are worrying about this fast, friends, and they don't know that this is the temporary fast of the Dogecoin. And I hope that after some passage of time, with the passage of time the Dogecoin again start pumping, and that will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. The price change in the Dogecoin as the future is going again positive, but you have to hold Dogecoin for the long term, and that is how the Dogecoin give you good amount of profit. And I hope that they can very soon going to hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. My prediction about the Dogecoin is going to hit a 1 USD dollar in the next month, friends. Anyways, if you look the price changes occur in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 week price change is negative 24.96%, and the highest price is 0.7071 718.42 USD dollar, friends. So very less price reach to $1, friends. Very soon they are going to reach to $1, friends. What's your prediction about Dogecoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.